Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Yes, today, Secret Service Nonas. I'm making just a little video. I heard some on a video of a Sicilian talking about things that they misconception over here of Italian food. So like marinara, in our marinara, I'm sorry, there is fish in it. This is not marinara, this is just salsa di pomodoro con le melanzane. It's not even pasta alla norma because I don't have fresh mozzarella. And here we go. See, I already fried some eggplant. Here's the sauce. Grated some fresh Parmigiano Reggiano. Garlic, of course, which we're gonna put now. And the pasta water, it's boiling, but I'm not ready. And I'm gonna have only 79 grams of gluten-free pasta. Okay. Don't burn the garlic. Lower the flame. And put some sauce and cover before it splashes everywhere like I just did. I'm wearing yellow. Do you believe this? Making this. But anyway. Now we had some spices. My favorite. Red pepper flakes. A little salt. No sugar. We're not making candy. And the tomatoes are San Marzano tomatoes that I smashed it myself. See, with this little gadget, if you don't want to use your hands, you smash